Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter. I did try to do a fun Easter eye look just like with a pastel color. Nothing crazy, but I thought it'd be kind of fun to show a little bit of the Easter holiday spirit, although it doesn't even feel like a holiday today, which is so weird with the whole virus and how it's affecting everything. But I wanted to go ahead and film this today for you guys because I got my Ipsys yesterday. I would have put up yesterday, but I already had my collab video going up. If you haven't seen that, you should check it out because it was so much fun. It's like all my Disney makeup I have. But today is my unboxing all three Ipsys. I've been doing it this style for a few months now and I really like it because you can kind of see what is all in these boxes and maybe see which one would be the best option for you if you're thinking of signing up for one. So first up we have the $12 one. We also have the $25 Glam Bag Plus, typically full sizes in this one, usually samples in this one, sometimes a full size. And then the $50 Glam Bag Ultimate, which also includes full sizes and a few samples together. So we're gonna go unbox from least to greatest, starting with the regular Ipsy Glam Bag. So here is the bag this month. I believe it's kind of a different kind of floral pattern and it's like a purple shade and it has this little ring to open it up. And then we have our card, and the theme for this month is Full Bloom. So the first thing that was actually out of my box, I believe this is what I picked out because I love Youth to the People. So this is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. This is an intensely hydrating overnight mask. Uses vitamin C squalene to help brighten, help fade dark spots, and improve elasticity. So I'm really excited about this. I absolutely love their cleanser, so I'm really excited to try this little sleep mask from them. The next thing that we got here, this is by Buxom. So we got the Lash Mascara in Blackest Black. This mascara has been around for a while. It's like the iconic Buxom mascara. I've gotten a few subscriptions, even a full size before. It's not my favorite mascara, but I will definitely try out this little sample. It doesn't hurt to have, and I can definitely use it with some of my other ones. The next item we got is, looks like, oh, this is from the brand Ton. I do have one of their scrubs. I don't know if is it this one? I might actually have this one. But I saw this brand when I went to an Ipsy Creator Day event and I was very intrigued by them. This is their Oatmeal Face Scrub. It says, exfoliating is a surefire way to get your skin smooth, clean, and luminous. This is a non-abrasive scrub that uses oatmeal and apricot seeds to buff away dirt and debris. So I wasn't sure if apricot is bad. I remember like there was an apricot, walnut, maybe that was walnut, maybe apricot's okay. It does say it's non-abrasive, so I probably will give that a shot. And then we got a nail polish. I actually haven't got a nail polish in forever. I have been trying to do my nails at home now. I was getting dip nails, but my nails are so thin and brittle. I need a good top coat that's really gonna stay because my nail polish chips within like 2 days, which I guess is pretty normal. So you guys will have to let me know of a good top coat to use, but I do want to try out this nail color. It's by, how do we say this brand? Helios Live-In Lovely Nail Polish, originally $12.50. So this basically pays for the bag itself. I was reading about it and this actually sounds interesting. Like I might not even need a top coat because it says this smart formula has a photo initiator that cures polish in natural light. So you don't need a UV or LED lamp. It dries to a smooth gel-like finish and it's supposed to wear for 10 days. Okay, so maybe I don't even need a top coat for that. We'll have to test it out. And then the last thing I got is a brush. So technically we got 2 full sizes this month, so that's pretty good for $12. This is the Araceli Beauty Chiquita Blending Brush, originally $14. So this says that it's a flat oval shaped brush to concentrate, build, and blend pigments onto the lids. It actually kind of looks more like a crease brush to me, but a little bit not as like rounded as one, so I don't know what I'll use this for. Maybe I will try it with like some pigments on the lid because I'm always needing a good like lid brush. So that is everything in my $12 Ipsy for the month of April. Pretty good. I'm pleased with most of those items. Next we have the $25 Glam Bag Plus. So the thing I picked this month, surprisingly, I've actually picked this Foxy Bay Leave-In Cream Conditioner. Now, I know that this is usually at TJ Maxx. I think it's normally like $8 or so for this, but I am like in desperate need of leave-in conditioner and I know I like this one. I can't go to TJ Maxx right now and this smells incredible. If you guys know the smell of pink sugar perfume, this is seriously the same scent. But I love it, and I use leave-in conditioner pretty much as my only styling product just because my hair is so tangly normally. So I was in desperate need, and this one's really good. Originally this was $18.95. Like I said, I usually can find it for like $8, $9 at TJ Maxx, but it's a really good one. I did want to show you guys the bag. It's actually more of like a sage green. Is that the right sage? Is that the right word? Maybe. All right, next product here. This is from Galactic. This is the Jello Gloss Balm. This sounds kind of interesting. Trying to see if it has a shade on here, but I don't see it. Maybe it's just one shade, but look at the texture of this. It literally looks like you could touch it and it would feel like Jello, but it's more of like a waxy kind of gloss. It does feel like a gloss stick, I guess, would be the best way to describe it. Oh my gosh. This literally smells like Jello mix. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. This retails for $18, and it says that it's packed with avocado oil and vitamin E to give dry lips the nourishment and moisture they need. I'm actually really excited about this. It's more just like a lip gloss stick. I don't think it has much color to it, but I feel like that's a pretty interesting product, and it smells really good. We also got something from Tarte, which is kind of cool. I don't receive Tarte in much of my Ipsy stuff. So this is the Tardis Double Take Eyeliner. It has a liquid side actually, and a pencil side, which is kind of different. So you kind of get a 2-in-1. That's nice. Let me go ahead and swatch. Next up, I got something from, oh, this is interesting, Bloom Effects. And what has me very curious about this is because it's called a Dutch Dirt Mask, and it has a little wooden shoe with tulips on the bottom. If you guys didn't know, I am Dutch, and this is really cool. So I'm going to read about this. It says that the secret to fresh, dewy face, dirt. Very interesting. Well, not just any dirt. The botanicals and enzymes in this mask's Dutch Dirt Tulip Complex are straight magic for skin. Wow, it says to help reset, refresh, and rebalance your skin and make large pores a thing of the past. Retails for $49. Very expensive. I've really never heard of this, but I'm so intrigued by it. It almost looks like dirt too. Oh, this is going to be very interesting to try out, but I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, last but not least, we got something from Shayna B. I feel like I've heard of this brand maybe, but I've never tried anything. This is a palette retailing for $20, and this is the Miami eyeshadow palette. Let's see here. The colors look nice, definitely my kind of shades. I'm wondering about the quality though. So this is what it looks like. I'll go ahead and swatch this for you so you guys can see the swatches. Okay, so here is swatches of the palette. I'm getting better at swatches, you guys. I had to do them like more sideways. It looks pretty nice. I like the colors. So very nice neutral shades. I'll definitely try this out and see how it is. Let me know if you guys have tried anything from Shayna B. And that is going to complete my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I feel like overall it was pretty decent. I feel like I have a few like newer brands I haven't tried before. I guess mostly stuff I have heard of. I'm really excited about these products, especially the Galactic Gloss Balm, the leave-in conditioner I needed, and also that new Dutch brand Bloom Effects. So, wow, I cannot wait to try those out. I will say, if you guys watched my last BoxyCharm unboxing, I was a bit harsh in that video, I will say. What I got in my BoxyCharm was a lot of shades that didn't really match up with my profile. I think it's just because I knew what the spoilers were, and I knew what I could have got, but I mostly try to be like a positive person here on my channel. But you guys know, if I don't like something, I'm always honest. I have bashed Ipsy before, especially this big box, the $50 one, because I don't know, it's just hard. With the $50, that's a lot of money right now. And you just want to get your money's worth. You guys, how funny is this? Levito, we got this in the BoxyCharm, but I think we got something else. I have it over here. Yeah, in BoxyCharm we got the Age Away Replenishing Cream. In Ipsy we got the 2-in-1 Purifying Facial Mask and Exfoliator. One of you guys said you did really like the moisturizer you got in the BoxyCharm, so I feel like I need to give it a fair shot, although it's something I really haven't heard of before, and I don't like getting too much skincare. Unfortunately, with this box, they didn't put prices or anything, any info, which I guess I'll have to like read about it, but that's fine. I wonder if it will show me on my app. Clear skin is coming your way. Detoxifying lemon oil helps zap clogged pores and pimples fast, so This could be something good for acne. I'll have to look up ingredients and see how it is. It does seem like it has a lot of fragrance in it though, and citrus is not the best for my skin personally. It gets a little bit sensitive, and I see it does have lemon peel oil in it, so I'll see. I'm going to do some research on that and see what comes up. I will show you guys the bag for the month. This one's a nice travel bag, which I like about the Glam Bag Plus. This is what it looks like. This one actually has 2 of the zippers, and it has more of a cream floral print on it. We got a full-size mascara here from Ciate London. This is the Triple Shot XXL mascara. I have not tried this from them. This retails for $22. I just went ahead and looked it up for you guys, and it says that it's gonna give you the luscious lashes of your dreams without extensions. So it sounds promising. Let's look at the wand. Oh, nice. So it kind of starts off thicker towards the top and gets a little bit thinner at the bottom. It could be a good one. Next up, I'm actually really excited for this because it is from Yensa. I do enjoy their products, and this is the CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. I believe this is a brand new product from them, so it is nice they include their newer stuff in Ipsy. Like, I just got their lip oil last month, and now we have their cleansing oil, which I needed a new cleansing oil, so that is perfect. I don't have the price of this one, so I'm not sure about that. But it does say that it melts away makeup and impurities, and it has 8 super oils in this formula. The next item I got is from Real Her. This is a little cheek trio. It does have this kind of almost marbleized packaging, and this is the colors. So it looks like we have a blush in Blessed, there's a highlight in Goddess, and then a bronzer in Incredible. I will go ahead and swatch these for you. This might work out. The blush is not as pigmented as I was expecting. So here is what the 3 shades look like. The bronzer looks promising. The highlight is a little bit deep, but they did feel pretty nice. So we'll have to see how that is. And looking at the site here, this retails for $28 for this little cheek palette. The next product, I think this is the one I picked out because it seemed pretty fun, but this is from Tristique. This is the mini lip glaze set, and Tristique has a lot of like pencil looking products. I think that's their thing. And you got a whole set, which is nice. It comes with 4 different lip products. See how they kind of look like little pencils? It's very cute. The first one is in the shade English Rose. Oh, these are nice because they're kind of glossy almost. They're not super dark. I was expecting this to be a lot darker, but I do like that's more of a slight tint. We also got the shade Georgia Peach. Next up is Paris Pink. And then lastly, we have the shade Shell Beach Sheer. That one is very sheer, but I really like the looks of these, how they're just a light tint. I've been kind of liking that look lately. This is pretty cool, but we got a perfume that's a pretty big size in the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. This is by Kenzie. It's in Life Beat. I didn't know this brand made like perfume. I don't know if it's the same one, but there's some jeans I've bought from the brand Kenzie. It looks like the same label and everything, so maybe they make a lot of different stuff. I know I've seen certain Kenzie items at TJ Maxx. It reminds me of something, but I'm not sure what. But I get a lot of sweetness to it, a little bit of fruitiness. I don't think it smells necessarily expensive, but it does smell good. It's something I will wear. I'm not usually picky with my perfumes. Let's see how much this is. This is, how many ounces are you? It looks a little bit small. 0.67 ounces, and I guess this isn't quite a full size because the regular 1.7 ounce retails for $45, so this would have even a less value. So we also got a palette in our Glam Bag Ultimate. This is by IBY Beauty. I've seen them at different Ipsy shows. I don't know how I feel about the brand. Their eyeshadows, they don't look like top quality in my opinion, but they do come up with some pretty shades. This is the Enlightened eyeshadow palette. I do like this color scheme though. It does look very fun for spring. There's like pastels, some fun shimmers, so it could be good. I will go ahead and insert swatches. I feel like I need to give this brand like a good try and see if I can create a fun look with it, see how the shadows perform and everything. This palette retails for $25 on the IBY Beauty site. But yeah, I'm really digging that color scheme. So next full-size product is from the brand The Cottage Greenhouse. This is the Orange Blossom and Honey Mask. It says it's made with simple, clean ingredients. Our gentle and creamy facial mask with skin-sweeping blueberry seeds lifts away residual surface oils and impurities to restore your complexion to its natural baby soft disposition. So, it seems like they included 2 masks. So I'm not sure how I feel about that. I would rather have something a little bit different than having 2 of the same product in here, because it seems like they'll do a similar job. It says it's good for combination and dry skin types to do twice weekly, but I feel like this is an expensive brand. It seems very indie, but it looks kind of cool. Okay, so I did get some little mini sizes I'll go through fairly quickly. They do these minis as well to kind of make it seem like it's a glam bag plus and a regular glam bag in one. So we have the Verb Ghost Hair Mask. I am excited to try this because I love the ghost oil. I've been needing a good hair mask. I feel like my hair is so lately since I can't get it done. I was supposed to get it done this month, but obviously that's not gonna happen. So I've just been trying to treat it nice, and even though my color might not be like amazing for a while, at least I could try to have healthy hair. So I'm going to try that Verb Ghost Mask. I also got something from Dr. Oakham's. This is the Zika Peptide Cream. It says no mineral oils, no animal origin ingredients, no synthetic fragrances or dyes. It's good for wrinkles and sagging skin. And then I also got this Wonder Eye Cream from Balance Me. It's going to soothe tired eyes, lift dark shadows, firm skin, reduce and soothe puffiness. This is a UK brand, and it's vegan. And then I also got this sugar lip polish by New Body in Pina Colada. This one's made in Canada. Oh, that does smell really good. It makes me think of summer, so I'll try that as well. So that is everything in my Glam Bag Ultimate. I was very on the fence with this box. I didn't think it was worth it when I first tried it, but I feel like it is getting a little bit better. But there's definitely a lot more kind of indie brands in this one. It's kind of introducing you to new things, which it can be a good thing if you're into that, but if you're more into wanting like top best-selling items, then maybe you wouldn't like this one. I would say by far my favorite. I usually like the Glam Bag Plus a little bit better than my Ultimate just because the Ultimate is so expensive, and also the regular Glam Bag, it seriously never disappoints me. I think they do a good job with that one as well. But anyways, I'll have the links down below if you guys would like to sign up for Ipsy. And that is going to complete this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.